welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a first impressions slash what's in my bag featuring the Jacquemus Le Chiqutio Noed. I recently did an unboxing of this and I am returning this bag. But for those people that want to purchase this or thinking about buying it or anything like that, really, I just wanted to be helpful and show you what can actually fit in here and give you guys some like first impressions of this bag. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. But before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Maria Scotto. I like to do luxury fashion content here on my YouTube channel, like handbags. I love handbags, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, what's in my bags, all handbag fun kind of videos. So if you're into handbags or into fashion, luxury, then this is the channel for you. So please hit that subscribe button and let's be friends. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So I did an unboxing. I did want this bag really bad for quite a few months, and then I bought it to see if I would like it. And this is a part of Jacquemus's new collection, and it looks like a chocolate bar to me. I said that in my previous video, and this is the Le Chiqutio Noed. I'm missing the word. Style. I can't think of the word. This is the Jacquemus Le Chiqutio Noed. There you go. And this bag, I thought it was a little bit bigger when I first got it. I was surprised by the size. I mean, I know Jacquemus is known for their smaller bags, but I thought this was a little bit bigger. So I was kind of disappointed in that sense. And then I tried to put my phone in there and it did not fit. And I actually watched videos of people putting their phone in here. I guess it depends what kind of phone you have, but mine did not fit, and that was a really big bummer for me because I like to have all my things in my handbag, especially my phone, when I'm out and about. I mean, I'll suck it up if I love the bag a lot, but I like to fit everything in my bag because knowing me, I'll go out, I'll place my phone somewhere and I will lose it and forget about it and walk away, and that's that. So when I have a handbag, I like it to be not only versatile, but also for me to be able to fit every single thing that I need for that day in that handbag. So this does not fit your phone if you have the iPhone 13, or is it the 13? I have a Samsung, so the latest version of the iPhone will not fit in here, that's for sure. And the latest version of the Samsung 22 Plus, if you have that, will not fit in here as well. I mean, you can jam it in there, but the sides are gonna become all like wonky looking, and that is not cute. So yeah, I mean, I love how unique this bag is. I love the handle detail. I love how it twirls, and it's versatile because you can unhook this part and unravel it like so. I didn't do this yet, so I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, like that, and you put it on your shoulder like this. But I don't think I would ever do that, honestly, because I like the shape of this bag. Okay, now I can't do it. Now I can't put it back. Let's see. Okay, I got it. Takes me a minute, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It is a super cute bag. I love the color as well because it is a neutral. I'm a neutral kind of person, except for today I'm wearing pink with my pink nails. But other than that, I like to wear neutral kind of outfits, and this will go with everything that I wear. So I like the color, and they do have Le Chiqutio Long in this color, which I'm really thinking about because I love Le Chiqutio Long style of Jacquemus's handbags because they fit everything, and it is a cute bag, simple bag, and I'm really eyeing up that color because I really love this color and I love how it reminds me of a chocolate bar. It comes with a strap, so you can wear it crossbody. You could wear it, like I said, like this on the crook of your arm. Not on the crook of your arm. It's literally, I mean, depending how small your arm is, but mine can go literally this far. So you can wear it like that if you want. You can hold it. The strap is adjustable, which I love. Love handbags. It's in here. I'm trying to keep everything in the packaging because I'm returning it and I don't want to ruin anything. and then end up keeping it. Also, I didn't mention this in my unboxing video, but this bag is like a suede material. It's really nice. I like the feel of it. But it feels like you can't get water on it or anything. If you like have something on your hands, it'll kind of ruin it. But other than that, it's a really nice color. I love the feel of this bag. I love the gold detail with the brown. It just makes it pop. And I love the stitching on it. It's like a darker brown. I'll show you guys up close if you guys can see that. This is with the side with the D-ring. This is the back, no pockets or anything. And yeah, this is the bag. It is super cute. So now I'm gonna do what can actually fit. So when you open it, it has a magnetic opening and closure like that. Really nice, really sturdy, which I like. I think this has still the, oh no, it doesn't. And when you open it, it has just this canvas. And see, the issue is, guys, when you look at the side, right? When you look, okay, no, disregard that. When you look at the front, you think that this bag is like, this is how big it is inside. But when you look on the side, it's cinched in. So actually, in reality, you don't have the full length of what the bag looks like. You have the space inside. I probably said that really weird. It sounded weird, but the way you look at the bag is not the amount of space you have inside. There you go. So when you open it, you could see, because it's cinched in like this, especially because it's like a triangle shape, so you can literally fit all your thicker things on the bottom, and then when you get towards the top, you can't put anything else. So you're kind of limited up to here in reality, because then you have to close the bag, and if you have something there, it will not close. So when you open it, it looks like this. Has that canvas, has a pocket here, which is really nice. You can put a few cards, and then you don't have to put a wallet in here, which gives you more space. So I'm gonna put in my Gucci Marmont card holder right in there. Fits nicely. It fell over. So that's what it looks like so far, right there. And then I'm gonna fit my, you know, ultimate favorite chapstick, Burt's Bees, right in there. I have a hair tie, I have a little clip, and then I have a compact mirror right in there, and then I have my keys right on the side, and pretty much that's that. Maybe one more thing, but slim. I don't have my wipes, hand sanitizer wipes, but I maybe could fit that in there, squeeze it in. But that's pretty much it, guys. Like, this is what it looks like. There's my wallet, keys, chapstick, hair tie, and then when I try to close it, it closes very nicely. So that's how it looks. And then let me see, I'll show you guys that the phone can't fit. So I have the Samsung 22 Plus, and it does not fit. This is my phone. This is harder to do in the air, but see, it doesn't fit that way. Nope. And then it just doesn't fit. Like, this is what it looks like. I can fit it like diagonal, but then I can't close the bag. So it's, you know, because like I said before, the way the bag is, it is a triangle shape on the top. So when you try to close it, it won't go, and it makes it all jumbled, and it won't fit in straight like this. Because if you could see, let me show you this way, maybe it'll look better like that. See, it's literally the same size as the front, but like I said, it's cinched in, so it's not really the reality of the space you have inside when you look at the bag. So yeah, that is what fits in the Jacquemus Le Chiqutio Noed. I know I have repetitive, like, what's in my bags, the same things, but I ultimately do it for the handbag more than what I actually put in my bag. So if you guys can see, like, I put my essentials, but that's it. But if I were to have a bigger bag, you guys can tell, like, if you have more things, then you can put more things in the bag. So it's all about the handbag. It's not really about my things going into the handbag, if that makes sense. But at the end of the day, I hope this video helped you guys out. If you have any questions about this bag, leave them down in the comments. Please give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Go follow me on Instagram. I'll put my name right on the screen. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.